So Blender version 5 was just recently released, and in the update there was a very small change to the procedural voronoi texture, but it's something that I wanted to make everyone aware of. Now this small change to the voronoi texture probably isn't going to affect most procedural materials. If you just take a look at the voronoi texture in Blender version 5, it doesn't really appear as though anything is different, but if you take a look at the color value, which has these little colored cells here, the seed value of these cells is slightly different. Now again, this probably isn't going to affect most materials. I went into my ultimate procedural material pack and went through a bunch of my procedural materials, and with these cells here, they still look pretty similar, but they've just been moved around slightly. So you can see here's the difference between Blender version 4.5 and Blender 5. However, there is a procedural material where it really messes up the look of the material, and that is my procedural desert camo material. So with my procedural desert camo material, this color value from the voronoi is contributing to the base color. Now I do use some mixed color nodes to change the colors to make custom colors, but the colors still affect the contrast and how the colors are going to show up within the material. So you can see the desert camo really gets messed up in Blender version 5. And that's just because the voronoi cells have been moved around a little bit. So you can see the cell texture looks pretty much the same, but the seed value has just been changed. And just to confirm this change, I'm in the Blender 5.0 release notes, and you can see here it says voronoi texture. Voronoi texture nodes are now several times faster by using a faster hashing algorithm. However, this changes the resulting pattern. The node behaves the same, just the noise will be different compared to the previous versions. Now this material is a product which I'm selling on my Gumroad store and Patreon page, and it's also included in my ultimate procedural material pack. So I wanted to fix this material and make it look as close as it can to the original version. So what I did is hit tab to go into the node group, and here's the voronoi texture. So if I just preview the color socket, you can see the color socket from 4.5 to 5.0 looks very different. So one thing that I did to fix this is I changed the 3D type here on the dimensions to 40. And this way I have this W value and I can drag this around. And so because this noise texture is going into the voronoi to distort it, this W value is going to massively change the colors of the voronoi. So I can just preview this mix color here to preview what the two colors are looking like, and then I can change the W value. And you can see this is really going to change the look of that camo. And then I can also use these color ramp values, so I can drag around the color ramp values to change the contrast. And I also did that for the top one here, and then these finally gets mixed together with a darken. And if you do want to learn how to create this procedural material, you can check out the tutorial which I have linked in the description. So kind of some of those green colors are back, whereas before in Blender version 5, before I kind of edited the material, it really washed out the green colors. So if you are one of my Patreon members and you downloaded this material, or if you happen to have purchased this material on my Gumroad store, I've now updated the product files with a new Blender version 5.0 version. And if you're one of my customers of my Ultimate Blender Procedural Material Pack, then in the next update, when I update the material pack, I'll be updating the desert camo with this new material, which works better in Blender version 5. And if you'd like to learn how to create procedural materials in Blender, you can check out my Blender procedural material tutorial playlist. You can also help support me and this channel by purchasing all of my procedural materials with my Ultimate Blender Procedural Material Pack. And if you want to learn more about the Blender version 5.0 new updates and features, I've been posting some videos recently on my channel talking about some of the new features and updates, so you can definitely check out those videos on my channel. So I hope you found this informative, and thanks for watching.